Hello everybody, we're back with the large fusion pollard willow, which has been growing great guns this year, and I'm really liking the silhouette that we've got, but we haven't really achieved much in the way of fusion, so let's go in and have a closer look at the trunk. The tree has been growing really well, the trees have been growing really well. We have, quite a lot of growth come out at the top, just as you would get from a good pollard willow. And in silhouette, as I say, it's looking really good. Obviously, in close up, you can see that we've still got this knot of unfused branches, although we have some evidence of some fusion. A little bit of evidence of some dieback, and this tree has been sat in a tray of water all summer. In fact, it pushed itself up out of the tray with the amount of roots that grew out of the bottom, and I hacked all the roots back. I hacked all of the roots back to the base of the pot twice this summer. And it's still throwing out roots out of the bottom of the pot after that water. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm a little bit worried about this grafting tape. There seems to be a lot of moisture under the grafting tape. I don't think the tree is going to move if I remove it, so I'm going to risk it. I'm going to remove this grafting tape for the winter. I don't want a lot of moisture sitting underneath, allowing rot. There's already some moss and things under there. Don't want the trees to rot. But what I can see is that we do have some fusion at the base here, which is great. So we're going to leave the tree as it is, including this great big silly looking knot of wood that will hopefully eventually all fuse together over the next few years. Once this trunk is fused, I guess it won't really have much choice but to fuse. And I'm going to leave it as it is. In terms of the tree, I think I'm going to take it out of this pot, although this is the pot I think I like it for in the longer term. I think I might put it into a large seed tray come the spring. It does need more room, I think, for the roots for the time being, for the development of the tree. So put it in something washing up bowl type size, maybe even slightly larger. And I'm not going to cut it back this year. I'm going to leave all of these shoots as they are to grow on again. Come the spring, I will rewrap this in some fresh grafting tape, and we'll give it another year and see how it goes from that. Quick 360. As I say, a great silhouette, but especially from this side, I think. Thank you all for watching in these funny old times. Please do take care of yourselves. Stay safe.